Hey guys, Sadie, and I want to show you, this is what I had in the short, of course, right here. Um, and you can see it's a lot more of a high power thing than, this is one I got from Electronic Goldmine. And this is one of the flash things, for a, like, like if there's a fire alarm. This is one of the flash things. Oh, here's a better one. Here's a better one. Here's my chunk. Here's a better one. But it's new, and I got those from Electronic Goldmine. This one's the one I took apart, and the capacitor in there is rated 330 volts at 100 microfarads. So the flash is a lot. I mean, we could calculate the joules, but the flash is a lot smaller. You can see this flash is still pretty big compared to some of the ones in cameras like this one, and increasingly they are using LED LEDs in replacing this. But I love this stuff like this with the transformer, and this one has a really nice transformer. These on Electronic Goldmine are $12.95, but they had a sale where they were $5 and $5.95, and I got a bunch of them because I like to play around with the circuit, and I have an oscilloscope, and I kind of wanted to probe around in there. Look at the simple. This is just a simple strobe, and look how they bling that out with. God, I swear I cannot make any videos because this is my problem. Like, their lighting's bad, the camera angle's bad. I just want to give up. I have all these projects and all this stuff I want to do, but this is just terrible. Okay, well, that's not what the video is about. I wanted to show you guys this one, and compare it with that, and it doesn't seem like this flash gives off a lot of heat, and it's supposed to burn your hairs. This is supposed to get rid of my facial hair permanently, like for forever. And you have to keep up on it and stuff. And this is a knockoff one. These usually cost $200 or $300 for the good ones, but this one I got off the biggest rainforest in South America, and it was like $68. But the electronics in here, even the ones that cost a lot. Oh, I do have one over there if you can see it. Oh my gosh. That little white thing in there is one that I paid $350 for years ago. But I didn't keep up on it, and I went to get an electrolysis, and stop. These YouTube commercials drive me crazy. Why are you not investing? Why are you not investing? Well, because I can't keep a job. My car's a piece of like, why are you not investing? Like, bro, why are you not? Okay, I'm getting distracted. Okay, so, yeah, like, I was gonna think, like, this is probably gonna break this thing, but I could add more capacitance to it. And I mean, like, what would be the point of that? Because, this already works. Apparently, this has been tested, and it works, and why would I modify it and stuff? But I wanted to charge this up, and you know what would be interesting is I kind of wish I could just make it more like, because it's only charging up to about right under 350 volts, as you saw on the voltmeter. So what I think it would be interesting to do, there's my knife, is like find where it's charging up to, since it can go all the way up to 450 volts. I'm maxing out, like, I'd rather it charged up to 380 or 390, but would I be stressing out the other components too much? And why am I doing this? I just think that, well, maybe it would be more effective. Maybe it would be more effective if um, if I made it, like, I guess I could just, well, I mean, you could add more capacitance to it and let it charge up to get, like I said that it went up to like 42 joules. Let's say we want 55 joules. So I could add more capacitance to it or find out what's charging it up in the circuit and tweak it so it charges up to like 380 volts. So there's two ways to get there. And then maybe it would make the hair removal go faster. But, also maybe I could damage my skin or something or get shocked. I don't care about getting shocked. But, maybe I will break this or maybe I will damage my skin. But I doubt that's going to happen. So I did. And then here's some other stuff. I found this in the trash. I was driving by. This is one of the reasons I have all this junk in here. And the reason I can't make any videos, because I'm not organized enough, but I could easily make like 100 electronics videos, making kits and stuff that I have, but I don't even have a good place to put it together. And in the past I was soldering on my bed, and that's just terrible. That's just awful. I can't, to put something like that on YouTube and have it on there for years is like, what would be the point of that? Okay, so I found this this was connected to, I was driving by this area where there's stuff thrown away, and this was in a plastic thing, and it looks like you have a line voltage in there, right there, and a transformer and a full bridge rectifier, and then two transistors, or maybe not transistors, maybe a MOSFET or something. I don't know. Oh God, it's so dark. Okay, see, I have this. I have stuff, but I don't turn it on. I don't have. Okay, so I want to get a table. So look at 7 minutes. Damn it, 7 minutes. Okay, but it has a little LEDs on it, surface mount LEDs, and it makes some kind of voltage. So obviously it breaks it down from the line, and then here's a little button. So I wanted to take this apart and test it. See, I could hook up the line voltage to that and test that, and then see what this is. It was some kind of charger thing. And then some other stuff I got another one of those burning lasers. And this one is a lot more powerful than the other one I had. The other one I had hooked up to the Nintendo gun. This one is a lot more powerful, because it has a rectangle, and just off a 9-volt battery, it was starting to burn stuff. It's a burning laser, and it started to make a flame on a bag. A lot better than my other one that I got. So I don't know what that other one that I have attached to the Nintendo gun is rated 2.5 watts. And this one I think is rated more. But look at that thing. There I am watching YouTube, constantly watching YouTube. I watch YouTube for 10 hours a day. This guy's making some kind of beamformer, which I'm not. This is some kind of RF stuff. But thank you for watching. We've got 10 minutes. I want to try to make some better videos, but I do have a lot of these kits and stuff that I get, but I just don't have a place to put the stuff together. It's I really want to try to be better this year and make some. I could just put it together if I had it organized and had something to hold the camera and had lighting. Just a couple things would make these videos so much better, because I can't do this stuff. Holding this like this in the bed and not showing my face. And we'll get better. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry, we'll get better.